In this guitar lesson, I'm going to show you how major arpeggios are created and how to come up with your own. The theory is really simple and I'm going to keep it as short as possible. First of all, you need to know a major scale, only really up to the 5th interval. You also need to know the notes on the neck, the name of the notes, or at least how to find them. The root note of the major scale that I just played is an A, so that's an A major scale that I'm playing. Next, I want you to play and pause on the 1st, 3rd, and 5th note. Then I want you to take out the 4th and 2nd note. Those are the 3 notes that make a major arpeggio, the 1st, the 3rd, and the 5th. This is an A major arpeggio because the 1st note that I'm playing is an A. Next, you need to work out what the names of the other 2 notes are. C sharp and E. You can just slowly work your way up to find them. If you don't know the names of the notes on your neck, have a look through my channel. I'll try and put a link above. I have got a guitar lesson on how to easily find the names of the notes on the neck, or at least work them out. The notes that make up a major arpeggio are 1st, 3rd, and 5th. Just in playing those 3 notes there, I'm playing an A major arpeggio anyway, but now I can extend the arpeggio if I want. I can play any A, C sharp, and E in any combination. You don't even have to start on the root note and you are playing an A major arpeggio. But I'll show you an easy way to work it out now. And the trick is just find one of those notes. Just because I've done it already, I'm going to do it from A. Anywhere where there is an A on the neck, that same exact pattern can be applied. There's an A here, I can do the exact same pattern. That's a C sharp and that's an E. There's an A here, I can do it here. The only exception being with the A note that is on the G string, which is this one here. The pattern is the same, but whatever would normally happen on the string above, you have to shift it up by 1 fret. It would end up being this. And then on the B string, find the A and you're back to the normal pattern. Based off that, I can extend the arpeggio further. The arpeggio doesn't always have to start on the root note or the 1st note that you play of those notes. You can utilize any as you scale in the neck. What makes the arpeggio is that you have at least one occurrence of each of the 3 notes. That's all. So I'm going to work out an A major arpeggio that extends throughout the neck now. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to this A here and do the same pattern. And I've already spanned a lot of the neck there. After that, there's an A here, so I'm going to utilize that one next. And remember, I've got to move a fret up on the B string. And then finally, I could go up to this A here, or I could go down to the A. I'm going to go down just for a little bit of difference. And then I could take it backwards if I wanted. I could leave it at that. I could take it halfway. I'm going to go halfway. And I ended up finishing on the major 3rd, the C sharp. A recap. Major arpeggio is made from the 1st note, the 3rd note, and the 5th note of a major scale. The notes do not have to be played in a particular order. You just have to have one of each one at least. You can extend it as far as you want or as little as you want. You can hold on any of the notes that you want and it is still a major arpeggio as long as you have one occurrence of each note. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything in particular that you would like me to run over on the guitar. And very soon I'll teach you how to construct a minor arpeggio. Real easy, and the theory behind it. In the meantime, keep on rocking and I'll catch you soon.